what does that look like? So here's image one from the article summary in the blurb. And then here's a video that Runway created. So here we have the image. Then this is the Runway video that was generated. You can see it's pretty amazing what it was able to do with that static image. And then here's image two in the video that Runway created from that. Okay, so that's what this portion of the workflow does. It creates the images and then goes out and creates the Runway videos from that, right? All right, thanks everyone for joining, by the way. Looks like quite a bit of people there. So, all right. So next step, we've got the source assets, the runway, the images, the runway video, right? And then here we have the sort of the text that's going to be used to stitch it all together. And in order to stitch it all together, I'm using a platform called Creatomate. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the image blurbs, right, from the article preparation. Okay, so I'm taking the image blurb, the article blurbs from the article preparation. I have the runway videos to use with that article blurb, and then I'm using Creatomate to put it all together, right? So I've got the text, I've got the videos, and then now I'm going to stitch it all together and create a final video, right? So what does that look like? So we had, this video here, this video here, the article itself, and then finally we have this video that was generated using Creatomate.